Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So, relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Clothing store conversation.
Hello. Welcome to Style Point Clothing. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a new shirt for a party. Something simple but stylish.
Great! We have a new collection right over here. Do you prefer full sleeves or half sleeves?
Half sleeves, please. I want something comfortable.
No problem. These are our most popular half-sleeve shirts. This blue one is our best seller.
It looks good. What material is it?
It's 100% cotton, very breathable and soft.
Nice. Do you have it in medium size?
Yes, let me check. Yes, here's the medium.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The trial room is right behind you.
Thanks. I'll be back. It fits perfectly. I really like it.
That's great to hear. The color also suits you well.
Thank you. How much does it cost?
It's $22, and today you get a 10% discount.
Oh, perfect. I'll take it.
Would you like to check any pants or jeans to match with it?
Maybe next time. Today I just need the shirt.
Sure. Your total after discount is $19.80.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a great time at the party.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Come again.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.